Hey guys, I want to thank Hershey's for sponsoring this video. Today we're going to be making a cookie recipe with their new hot cocoa kisses. So if you guys want to see how we did that, then just keep on watching. So I've laid out all the ingredients to make the cookies. You'll need 1 1/4 cups of butter, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cups cocoa, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now for the best part of this recipe, we are going to be using the new Hot Cocoa Kisses by Hershey's. These are for a limited time only, so get them while you can. They're going to be in the stores just through the holidays and then they will be gone. And these are so good. So they're their classic milk chocolate with a marshmallow cream inside, and they are so good, guys. So first you want to soften your butter. I usually just put mine in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and then you're going to add in your sugar, you're going to mix them up, and then you're going to go ahead and add in your eggs and your vanilla and then blend that all together. Now you're going to go ahead and add in your flour, your cocoa, your baking soda, and your salt, and then you're going to blend all of that together again. So you're going to blend it until it becomes this consistency, and it was kind of a weird consistency and I was really worried that they weren't going to turn out, but they did. So it's going to be really sticky and gooey, and they're not really that easy to put on baking sheet, but it says to put them on an ungreased baking sheet. I always use aluminum foil on my sheets because it makes for easy cleanup. So you're just going to drop them by the teaspoon on there, and then you're going to bake them at 350 degrees for 8 to 9 minutes. And I found that 9 minutes worked perfect.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
So again, they are their classic milk chocolate with a marshmallow cream on the inside. It's supposed to be creating the experience of drinking a cup of hot cocoa. So that's kind of the theme we went with. We made these cookies. When we were done with the cookies, we let them cool first. That's important. Then we stuck the Hershey's Hot Cocoa Kisses on top and then serve it with hot cocoa, and you have a perfect winter treat.
Christmas, the first for you and me.
I want to thank Hershey's for sponsoring this video. It has been so much fun. We love these. These are a new family favorite. Hurry up and get them, guys, if you want to try them, because they will be gone by Christmas time.
I have ever been Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach.
So after you bake, there's always a mess. So our kitchen was torn apart. So Madeline and I quickly just cleaned everything up, got the dishwasher going. And I wanted to tell you that this makes a ton of cookies. The recipe says it makes 4.5 dozen. I think that would just kind of depend on the size of cookie that you put on the sheet, but I think it made close to that. It was a lot, and they taste kind of like brownies, but not quite as rich, I would say, but they are so good. And when my husband grabbed one, I didn't even know he had a cookie, but I turned around because he was like, oh my God, these are so good. And I wanted to see what he was eating, and it was one of the cookies. So I highly recommend checking out this recipe. I will leave it in the description box for you guys if you want to screenshot that or write it down for yourself. But I hope that this was helpful for you guys to watch and make this with your kiddos at home. Who's ready for Christmas? I'm starting to get excited.
In Christmas times, oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and leave us a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.
Dance, have a good time. Dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in